Wasting money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious?
Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Large Camping. If you've seen our last video, you know that we've made our way from Michigan into Wisconsin, and honestly we are so impressed with this state.
This part of the state is gorgeous. We kind of messed up not planning ahead for Apostle Island, which is where we are right now, but we figured since we're close by, we might as well explore the area a little bit and do some hikes.
So you can actually camp on one of the main islands, and you can take a ferry across, and we can fit a truck camper on that, but we couldn't get a reservation for the campgrounds or the ferry, so we were 0 for 2, and either way, we're gonna enjoy some nice time exploring and bringing you guys along with us.
But first, we didn't know what we were doing today. I am in jeans and sneakers, so I need to change, and then we'll go hike.
Somebody's ready to go.
I'm all changed. I'm also ready to go. Okay, so it shows it's about a 4-mile hike round trip, which isn't bad at all. We've got backpacks, Sparky and his backpack, and there are a ton of cars here, so it's obviously very popular, which is always a good sign, because it should be very pretty.
One of the reasons we decided to go into Bayfield today is because we hit 50% this morning, but our spot was too shaded to really generate any power, so we decided to go into town. We also needed some groceries, and the mosquitoes have been horrible, so we're going to try to find something to fix that, but that's going to be after this, and then we're going to explore the town a little bit. It'll be a good day. The crazy thing is, if you look all the way across, it's Minnesota. Wild.
See you tomorrow.
Looks like it is calm enough out there for people to be doing kayak tours, which is really cool. Whenever we went to Pictured Rocks last year, it's on Lake Superior as well, and the waves were like 3 or 4 feet tall. It was crazy that waves can generate like that in a freshwater lake, but nice to see that they are able to be on the water. I'm sure it is beautiful out there.
Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out.
Amazing.
They can't be over. Time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over.
It's pretty cool.
I just wonder what he thinks about all this.
Sparky, what do you think?
This area is so beautiful, and we definitely want to come back, but I think next time we're over in this area, it's going to be on the water. So we're going to have to see it from kayak, I think.
Yeah, I think so too, but walking down on the edge of the cliff was unreal. My knees were a little shaky, but stunning.
All right.
So beautiful.
It's 2 o'clock. We're going to go back, check out the town.
Woo!
Okay, so we didn't find any place to eat in Bayfield, but there's a place in Ashland just around the bay, and it looks really cute. Let's go check it out.
Right on the water. Okay, so I got a local cider, and Connor also got a Spotted Cow, which is a local beer here in Wisconsin. And we also ordered some red pepper hummus and a gigantic pretzel for Connor.
It's a great post-hike snack.
Yes. And the view is amazing. Okay, as you guys can tell, we are back. It was so nice just sitting there relaxing after the hike today. It ended up being closer to 4 miles, which was super nice, but we are exhausted after it.
Yeah, it feels so nice to be back here. We're in the same campground at Potato River Falls that we were in the last video, but going into town allowed us to charge our batteries 20%, which is great. But our propane's almost out, so we're gonna have to fill that up tomorrow. And then we'll need groceries, and we may just move states. Alright, so had to change of plans. We got home from our hike last night and we were both wiped, so we ended up making a really simple fried rice dish and then watching a movie and going to bed. But now we are in Superior, Wisconsin, which is right on the edge of Superior and Duluth, so we're basically on the Minnesota border, and I think we're gonna go into the state today, find some camping, but first we're stopped here at Walmart. Thankfully they had a haircut spot right across the street, so I was finally able to get that done. But we're gonna try to find some bug spray and stuff to help with the mosquitoes, and then we've got a couple groceries that we need to get. But either way, we are leaving Wisconsin today. We topped off our propane, and we should be good to go on that for like close to 2 weeks. So we're gonna get some groceries and fill up on the last bit of stuff, and we'll find a place to camp tonight. Alright, so we got all of our errands done that we needed to. The fridge is as full as it's ever been. We've got a full tank of propane, and we've had enough sun today to get the batteries up to a decent level. But we're actually camping somewhere very unique for us right now. We've never done it before, but we've always seen them. We're in a casino.
Let's go see if we can make some money.
Now, neither Amelia or myself are really big into gambling, but we didn't really know where we were headed tonight, and it was right outside of Duluth, Minnesota, so we figured it was a free spot for us to go and kind of figure out our next couple of days. Plus, we'll get a laugh or two walking through the casino, and maybe we'll find a slot or something to throw some money on.
Why not? Who knows if we'll win some money? Okay, well, when we walked up on the door, it said no cameras or filming, so we couldn't take you guys along with us, but...
Quite the experience. Nothing like small town casinos. They're always great to walk through. We put $2 in a slot machine and came out with nothing, but we played for a minute, and yeah, it's all right. We got a bunch of food to cook here, and we're just gonna have a nice relaxing evening in the casino parking lot.
This is a nice simple dinner for us. Came together very quickly, and it's funny that we're staying outside of a casino. It's the first time for us, but sometimes it's not always glamorous and beautiful views. But cheers to camper living.
Well, good morning, guys. I know this video has seemed a little sporadic, and honestly, it has felt the exact same way for us. We started out in Wisconsin, we went on a beautiful hike, and then we came back and fell asleep, and then the next day we drove to Duluth, but we didn't really explore all that much, and now we're in a casino.
Honestly, that's just sometimes how this life works. We don't really know what we're doing sometimes, so it feels a little chaotic, but we took you guys along anyways, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
We hope you guys will tune back in next video and see where this drive leads us. Hope you have a large day.
Thanks for watching, guys!